Hey Matterporters, I'm Amir, and in this video I want to talk about how to scan a space with repetitive design or architecture, which can often lead to misalignments. Sometimes you may find yourself in a space with very repetitive architecture. For example, a large empty event center or warehouse without any furniture, or a very long hallway in a school or hotel. These areas can be difficult to scan because to the Capture app, each scan position looks very similar. Capture aligns or places scans based on the measured or Cortex-generated depth data. In long hallways and open spaces, the depth data from one scan can look very similar to a previous scan. As a result, Capture may place the second scan in the same position as the first scan, even though the camera was moved to a new location. Fortunately, it's easy to avoid misalignments. The first thing to remember, in these environments, it is exponentially more critical to maintain a short distance between scan positions. If we normally recommend moving the camera 5 to 8 feet, in this case, I would stick to 4 to 5 feet or about 1.5 meters between scans. You can also use printable April tags placed in the scene at the camera's height. April tags are like large QR codes that can help the Capture app better recognize the camera's position when the architecture can't. I've linked to more information about April tags in the description below, where you'll also find downloadable tags you can print. If you're going to use April tags, be sure to print them at 100% and not fit to page. You'll also need to activate the assisted alignment feature in Capture. Open the Capture app and go to the Settings menu. Choose Settings and Privacy, then activate the assisted alignment feature. Finally, adding unique 3D objects to the space at about every 10 to 15 feet to make the space more asymmetric is a big help. 3D objects can be fire extinguishers, boxes, backpacks, or anything close by that can blend into the space. Like the April tags, these give Capture something to identify and latch onto, thereby avoiding misalignments. As important as these tips are, it's equally important to take the time to check the Capture app after every single scan to make sure the scans have aligned or placed in the proper location. If there was a misalignment, you'll be able to delete that scan immediately and rescan closer to a correctly aligned scan.